Transform your Shopify store's header into a stunning visual element that melts into your homepage with this simple customization. First, navigate to your Shopify admin, look for the online store option in the left-hand menu and click on Themes. Locate your active theme. You'll see a Customize button. Click that to enter the theme editor. Now, we need to find the header settings in the left-hand sidebar of the theme editor. Scroll down until you see the header section and click to expand it. Within the header settings, you'll find several options. Keep an eye out for a setting labeled transparent header or something similar. Like header overlay, check the box next to it. Once you've enabled the transparent header, you'll immediately see the change reflected in the preview on the right. Your header should now be see-through, allowing your background image to show through. Sometimes, theme designs require a little extra touch for a perfect transparent look, especially with different sections. To access this, go back to your themes page and click the Actions button next to your active theme. Then select Edit Code. In the code editor, we're looking for a specific file, usually named B6 or the MEX. You can use the search bar here to find it quickly. Once you've opened the correct CSS file, we're going to add a very small piece of code. You'll want to paste this code at the very bottom of the file. This code ensures that your header is truly transparent across all sections. After adding that small code snippet, make sure to click the Save button. This will apply all your transparent header customizations. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now boasts a modern, transparent header that beautifully complements your homepage's visuals, offering a truly elevated user experience.